XXL MV. Now I heard this music video was kind of weird, and I like that. I mean, the macaroni cheese music video is pretty weird too, no? What the hell is a massive what is this? Oh hell nah. They got a fork in your
The most fastest food in America. Let's hear that order.
잠시만요.
what the hell? Not him putting the CC captions on. Oh hell nah.
잠시만요.
Let's hear that order one more time.
Just a minute.
We like to go kind of fast here at Massive.
What the hell?
Remember the magic light. Use it, but don't overdo it.
What the hell am I watching? What in the crack-induced music video? What is this? Acid trip look? Ooh, I don't know what the... This feel like... I don't know. Wait, what did it say? Fun Korean music begins to play. What the hell? Do I need captions on or not? So they make it an XXL. Oh. It's very big t-shirt, not Billy Just Posse. Okay. This reminds me of like on some say Otaji and the Boys type of ish, or even like Insane in the Membrane, Insane in the Brain type of vibe, you know? It's definitely a oh. What in the Grand Theft Auto type of vibe? This is like. You know what? If this is her live, I bet this shit will go hard too. Like loud. What the? Isn't XXL a hip hop magazine as well? Right? Let me double check. Cypress Hill. Yes, that's the word. Cypress Hill. Yeah, it is a hip hop magazine. Woo! Hey. Is that NPCs that they have in the background? Bro, who directed this? Is this the same people that directed Macaroni Cheese? What the hell? What am I watching, bro? Yo, you know what? I feel like if I were to make this, like if I had to edit my own music video, I'd probably be like something like this. Is that all they hate? Oh shit. Woo! They can rap though. They can rap. Bad year like good year, bro. Isn't this guy the person that edited and directed this is like a YouTuber as well? No? Or I'm not sure actually. Or they posted like the behind the scenes, something like that. I can't remember. Ooh. Hey. 3, 2, 1, get it. They're very Cypress Hill feel too. Extra large. Ooh, hey. Let's go, DJ. Oh. Okay, they've been. Oh, that was an interesting transition. Not the move. So I gotta take the picture behind you, man. Oh my god. No. Damn. Okay, first of all, that was a trip. What the hell? What the hell did I just watch? Magic. That's Times Square, bro. Hey, that shit was kind of lit too. I'm not gonna lie. I did like that. I did like that. Young Posse, XXL. All I heard was like that music video was trippy. And yep. Do we put edits and make this trippy? Yes.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.